on YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy AP. So look, man, today we're doing a POV video. As y'all can see, I am in the whip and I just got it back, and it's been a couple months. I mean, not a couple months, it's been about a couple weeks since I got the car back. So going on 2 weeks right now since I had the car back. So you know, today I'm doing a little POV drive, so I can tell you how I feel. But like honestly, like instantly I jumped right into it. So when I first got the car, like I noticed that my bite point was like changed. So like when I usually, before I got the clutch in, I had to press the clutch down all the way down to the floor and then slowly like release it just a little bit and the car will move. Now my catch point is way up top. So once I push the clutch down, come all the way back up to the top, that's when the car begins to roll. But I ain't gonna lie, like a couple test drives, I ain't started out in traffic, but you know, before we get into it, I'm gonna show you how I be driving this bad boy. But other than that, it's pretty straight so far. So, but yeah, I'm on my way. Go pick up Mama Dukes real quick, you feel me? So yeah. I'm gonna run with that so y'all can hear this bad boy. Watch this, watch this. I love that right there. Man, shout out to True Coyotes Huntsville. That's the game, man. Go follow them. Oh shit. See what I'm saying? Let me got a quick little pull. Calling me, but I'm doing a YouTube video right now. But see, that wasn't too hard, was it? You feel me? That was cool. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, this shit too fun. Like, this shit too fun, man. Y'all gotta get y'all a Mustang, bro. Nearly half of my friends got one, except for two. One got a Scat and the other one might be getting a Challenger, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I want a Mustang, but trying to tell them, man, you gotta get you a Coyote. I would slide this hoe, but let me tell y'all something. I just got this bitch back, so I ain't trying to tear it up. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, like you gotta get you one. Like this shit is like mad fun, you feel me? Mad fun, man. If y'all watch one of my videos, like right in this little area, like over here, me and my boy was coming back to my crib. Man, we had a whole charger trying to race, and dude ended up like wrecking out. You can still see like the tire marks on the ground when he hit the brakes and shit. But I mean, ever since then, Buddy ain't been back since then. So you get what I'm trying to say, man. Don't mess with us. Don't mess with us, man. And then got a little something going on with the boys later on. But yeah, man, I'm trying to get as much content out as possible. You feel me? I just got my teeth pulled a couple of days, so that's why I ain't posting nothing. Then I'm working on a video right now. So, you know, that's how that's going. But look, man, we just steadily driving the car, man. I'm telling you, feel good. You know, your heart just dropped when you thought it was 12. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. This shit be crazy. I'm running window. I'm getting hot. I will turn the AC on, but I think it's gonna be louder in the video. You see how like slow I gotta like pull off? Cause if I do it too fast, like if I pull off, I gotta go slow down, cause like it's a little dip right here. Last time I hit that bit, sparks came out the car. I ain't gonna do it no more though. But it just like, it's like when you just feel that type of power, man, that shit just so fun, like, you know. And it's crazy, like everybody know my car in the city, like, so you can ask anybody know my car every time I damn, why you driving so slow? Like my car car could just be driving on the road, man. People automatically know it's me because my shit is just loud as fuck. But the thing I love about Mustangs, man, everyone got their own different sound. Come on, we got it, we got it. Every last one got their own different type of sound. That's one thing I love about it. So, you know, just highway cruising, man. Highway cruising, man. So right now I'm waiting for a part to come in from Ford, so I can go ahead and slap my GT350 intake manifold on there and see what that do. And then pretty soon we might have to take a trip out of town to hit the dyno one more time, because I definitely want to see them numbers. You feel me? But so the clutch I installed was the RST clutch. The only thing they said that I would probably like notice when I'm driving, because I ain't never had a twin disc clutch before, but they were saying like upon installing you might hear like a little rattling. So I guess the rattling would be this, like right here. Like I ain't never really heard this move like that. I mean, it's pretty tight, it's on here, you feel me? So I mean, it don't really bother me that much, 'cause most of the time I be playing music and shit like that, so I ain't really tripping on it, you feel me? So I mean, it's cool. But like upon get backfire, that shit, that was a good one. But look, but like driving it, I feel like this clutch got way much torque than like the organic one that Ford put in here. But like I said, I ain't already had 3 so far. Like my first one went out, that's when I first had the car, you know what I'm saying? I guess it was just time for it already to go. The second one I got put on in May this year, and then doing heavy racing and shit like that, that bitch just went left, you know, 3K stump out the door. So now I put this bad boy in. I think this should last me a long time, and I'm gonna promise y'all I'm not gonna tear it up, because let me tell you, it costs a lot of money to put this shit back in. I'm telling y'all right now, I don't have a shop or a lift to do this myself, because most of the time when it comes to my car, I do everything myself, man. You just gotta do it. I mean, the easy way out is just to pay somebody, but you know me, I just like to work on it myself. I feel good about myself when I work on my car. But shit, other than that, you know, we just cruising, man. We just cruising, man, for real, for real. Probably gonna see some more coyotes in the road later on, so I'm gonna do another POV video, shit like that. So I mean, we just out here cruising, man. We finna go pull up on Mama Duke's, and we finna try this spot called Veggie Melody. Get some chicken and fries. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we finna do, man. So yeah, we just out here today chilling. Man, I need to figure out, watch this. Oh, don't stop. Let's see, I got it. And then like another thing, my clutch pedal is like super light. I only driven like 2 other Mustangs that was manual, and that pedal is like super heavy. I think I kind of like that more, but my pedal is like super light, so it kind of gives me advantage when I'm smashing this bad boy. But I feel like I feel more safety with a heavier clutch, because it'll kick back faster. Because if I miss a shift with the light clutch, I didn't tow that bitch up again, you get what I'm saying? So I ain't trying to go through that far. But yeah, y'all, just like a short little video. I'm gonna get back with y'all later on when I'm out with the boys, probably like in a couple hours, like 12:28. I think we meeting up like around